Greetings to all. It's me, Dr. Anthoniammal, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, St.Joseph's College of Arts and Science Autonomous, and I'm going to discuss about a topic types of research. So, we have different types of researches. So, before we go to the topic, we must understand what is research. Yes, research. It consists of two words, re plus search. So, re means again and again. Search means to find out something. So it is an academic activity, and such the term should be used in a technical sense. So we can say it in a simple manner. It is a movement from known to unknown, or it aims to find out something truth. Research, it is an organized and systematic way of finding the answers to questions. So we have to find the answers to any of the questions. It is research. So it includes collecting, organizing, and evaluating data. So next the topic is types of research. We have different types of research. One is descriptive research, analytical research, applied research, fundamental research, quantitative research, qualitative research, conceptual research, and the last one is empirical research. So first one is descriptive research. It is nothing but it includes fact finding inquiries of different kinds, such as what, why, when, who, how, and all those things. The main aim of this research is description of the characteristics of a phenomena at present, and this kind of research has no control over the variable, only have to report what is happening or what has happened. For the description, researchers use frequencies, averages, and other statistical calculations, and this methods used by these researchers involves survey method of all kinds, including comparative and correlation method. And the periodic table categories the elements. It is an example of descriptive research. And the next one is analytical research, and this research mainly carrying out analysis on a phenomena and which involves secondary data. Though the aim of this research is to understand phenomena by discovering and measuring casual relations among them. And here the researcher and and they use facts or informations readily available to them in order to analyze to make a critical evaluation of the context. And it works within the constraints variables. It also tries to explain existing state of affairs from available data. And how can the absentee rate among employees be reduced? It is an example of an analytical research. And the next one is applied research. Applied research, and it is defined as a research which is used to answer a specific question and solve a specific problem or to gain better understanding, and it is also known as action research. And it aims at finding solution for an immediate problem facing in a society or an organization through systematic inquiry involving practical application of science. Based on the level and type of involvement, researcher can differ this research based on the scope of work, and it is designed to solve problem of modern would then acquire knowledge. The main goal of applied scientist is to improve the human condition and, for example, treat or cure a specific disease. And the next one is fundamental research, and we can call it as basic research or pure research. And this kind of research is concerned with generalization and formulation of theory, and it is done for the intellectual pressure on learning, and it has no commercial value attached to the discoveries that result from basic research. And this type of research has limited direct applications, but in which researcher has careful control over the research settings. And finally, it involves collection and analysis of data to develop or enhances theory and have an understanding of theoretical relationship between variables. And the next one is quantitative research. So quantitative research, it is totally based on the measurement of quantity or amount. So quality is different from quantity, and in this kind of research, it is it is a measurement of quantity or amount, and it can only be expressed in terms of quantity. And researcher tools such as questionnaire or equipment to collect data and all aspects of the study are carefully designed before data is collected. And here data, it is in the form of numbers or statistics, and this data is more efficient and able to test. And the next one is qualitative research, and it is handled with qualitative phenomena that involves quality or kind, what kind of quality that we are giving. So it is qualitative research, and the research designed to find out how people feel or what people often think or come or coming under this research. And it is important in behavioral sciences, and it aims to discover the underlying motives of human behavior through detailed description. And this data, it is in the form of words or pictures or objects and all. And the next one is conceptual. So conceptual research, it focuses on the development of ideas and theories rather than collecting and analyzing data. And it involves abstract thinking and exploring concepts or models or frameworks to explain the phenomena. And instead of testing hypotheses through experiments or empirical data, conceptual research, and it aims to develop new definitions or theories based on existing knowledge and logical reasoning. And the next one is empirical data, empirical research. And it is based on observed and measured phenomena, and it involves collecting data through experiments, observations, or some kind of surveys or other methods, and then analyzing this data to answer specific research questions. And this type of research relies on evidence and real world experiences rather than theories or assumptions. For example, in a study on employee productivity, an empirical researcher might gather data through surveys or interviews or some kind of direct observation of employees to measure the factors affecting productivity. And it is a kind of working conditions or motivation or management style. Thank you.